go for the negative indicators. Every time you get a negative sell setup, execute that based on your rules, your target, stop and placements. All right, so that's Nifty. But when you come to the bank Nifty, it's a kind of different structure. If you go to daily, you will see what I'm talking about. It's totally different structure than Nifty. In these kind of structure, I have seen the market making one more high up like that. So you'll come here, you'll make something like that, and then possibility drop. So that is like based on this situation, it's still a possibility, which means if this thing is trying to do that, you can still see there is a gap here. So there is a sell setup coming down here. Once you come here, if you're planning to buy something and you are choosing between Nifty and Bank Nifty, go with Bank Nifty. All right, because it will give you bigger RR ratio and bigger like good target and good structure, whereas in Nifty that will be still within the structure. All right, so based on this actually can make 5 waves up. So that's a bigger structure. But what about this week? For this week, if you can trade these space, which is obviously ups, wrong arrow for the downside, that would be awesome and great. How are you going to attack it? Let's discuss it on a lower time frame. You already have a one complete pattern here, which means you should be looking for your sell setups. Anything which tells you, allows you to enter into sell, get into it. Once you come up to these levels, just put that trade on break even, and yeah, so that's the level where the market can make something like pullback kind of thing. But still, for intraday or for 2-3 days kind of trade, this pullback is not good to risk on. All right, so once you come here, either book the profit or maybe like trail if you can. Like if you do that, that would be great. But yes, over here also we'll be looking for the sell setup until that trend line. Once you come to the trend line, possibility is here is different than Nifty. So that will be the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Any comments and question on that? All right, so we'll take some of the stocks and then we'll take the commodity market. So Hindalco,